Hi, hello, good morning, my dear students. Welcome back to my class. I am your Kavita Miss from Ideal School. Okay, students, today I am going to teach our first unit, the three butterflies. Okay, without wasting our time, let's move on the lesson. Before the lesson, I want to read meanings of this lesson. Okay, open your textbook, page number 3. Okay, now I'll read the meanings. All of you follow me. First one, petals. The colorful parts of a flower that are sometimes shaped like leaves. Okay. Second meaning, shelter. To provide a place where someone is safe. Third one, rather. That means prefer or wish to. Next, desert. That means to leave someone without helping. Okay. Now come to the lesson. I'll read the lesson. The three butterflies. There were once three butterflies, a pink one, a red one, and a yellow one. Students, this lesson is revolves around a three butterflies. Okay, there were three butterflies, a pink one, a red one, and yellow one. Okay, they played in the sunshine and danced now on this flower. Every day these three butterflies played in sunshine and they were dancing together from one flower to another flower. Now on that and never grew tired. Students, these three butterflies, pink one, red one, yellow one, these three butterflies every day they were playing in sunshine and they were dancing from one flower to another flower, but these three butterflies never grew tired. Okay, one day it started raining and they got wet. What happened, students? One day these three butterflies, when they were playing together, at the time it started raining and they got wet. Now what these three butterflies did? So they flew over to a rose and said, "Good rose, please open your petals wide so that we may take shelter from the rain." So what these three butterflies did? These three butterflies flew over to a rose and they said, "Good rose, please open your petals wide." Petal means what? A colorful parts of a flower. Okay. They said to the rose that, "Good rose, please open your petals," and what they said? "We may take shelter from the rain." And open your petals and we may take shelter in you. They said. These three butterfly said to the rose. Now what this rose replied to the butterflies? Concentrate on next paragraph, students. "I had be glad to shelter you, pink butterfly," said the rose, "for you look like me, but I won't shelter your two friends." What this rose said to the pink butterfly? "My dear pink butterfly, I will give you shelter because your color and my color are same. That's why I'll give shelter to you. You are looking like me. That's why I'll give shelter to you. But others who red one and yellow one, these are not my color. That's why I am not ready to give shelter to those." Like this rose said to the pink butterfly. Understood, students? Let's move on next page. Concentrate on next paragraph. "If you won't shelter my friends, you need not shelter me. I'll stay wet rather than desert them," replied the pink butterfly. Okay, students, now this pink butterfly replied to the rose that, "If you won't shelter my friends, then I don't need your help. I don't want to take shelter in you. I am not ready to leave my friends." Okay, if you won't shelter my friends means don't give shelter to me also. Like this pink butterfly replied to the whom? Yes, rose. Okay, concentrate on next paragraph. Then they flew across to a sunflower and said, "Dear sunflower, open your petals wide so that we may take shelter from the rain." Yes, now these three butterflies flew across to a sunflower, and these three butterflies said to the sunflower that, "Dear sunflower, please open your petals wide, and we three butterflies need a shelter from you, and we will take shelter in you. Please give shelter from the rain," they said. Now this sunflower is replying to the three butterflies that, "I had be glad to shelter you, yellow butterfly," replied the sunflower, "but not the other two." Yes, what the sunflower said? Yes, this sunflower replied to the butterflies that, "I am very glad to give shelter you, yellow butterfly, because your color and my color is same. That's why I'll give shelter to you only, but I am not ready to give shelter to your friends," it is said. Okay, next paragraph. "If you won't shelter my friends, you need not shelter me," said the yellow butterfly. "I will stay wet rather than desert them." And so they flew away together. Yes, now this yellow butterfly replied to the sunflower that, "If you are not ready to give shelter to my friends also, then please don't give shelter to me. Okay, I don't want to leave my friends in this critical situation. If you are not ready to give shelter to my friends, then don't give shelter to me also. I don't want to leave them." This yellow butterfly said to the sunflower, and these three butterflies, pink one, red one, yellow one, these three butterflies flew away together from that place. Okay, let's move to the next paragraph. Now the sun, who was hiding behind a cloud, had heard everything. Okay, now the sun was hiding behind a cloud, and the sun heard everything, whatever happened in between butterflies and rose, and sunflower and butterflies. Okay, all the situation now the sun knew very well. So he was happy to see the butterflies so united. Now the sun was very happy to see the butterflies united. Okay, so he quickly chased the clouds and the rain away. So the sun ran out the clouds and the rain gone away. Okay, he beamed down on the garden and dried the butterflies' wings. He means the sun. Okay, the sun shined down on the garden. Okay, he gleamed down on the garden and the sun dried the butterflies' wings. Now they could fly from flower to flower and dance as usual for the rest of the day. Now these three butterflies got very happy. Okay, so as usual they started their playing, their dancing from morning till night. All day they enjoyed. Okay, understood students? Okay students, what you learned from this lesson? Yes, what you learned, if we are united means nobody can do anything to us if we are united. So always we should be united. Okay students, we came end of the session. So I hope you all enjoyed this lesson very well today. I will meet you in next session. Until then, play like a butterflies, dance like a butterflies, and do hard work like a butterflies. Thank you. Have a nice day students.